Welcome to lesson one of the metric dragster. Today you just received the criteria sheet. On this criteria sheet there are a few things I want to bring to your attention before we start our 3-view drawing of your dragster design. The first one is body length. We need to maintain the body length between 200 millimeters and 305 millimeters long. The next thing we need to worry about when we're drawing is when we're putting the axle holes in where they're going to go. The bottom of the axle holes need to be above the bottom of the car between 5 millimeters and 10 millimeters. It cannot be less than 5, cannot be more than 10. Then placement of the axle holes from the front and from the rear of the car. From the back, you have to measure in somewhere between 9 millimeters and maximum of 100, and from the front the same. Once you have those marked, then you have to make sure that between the two axle holes in the middle, you have to have a distance of between 105 millimeters and 270 for this to be accurate. The last thing we need to worry about when drawing is the safety zone thickness. That is the hole in the back of your block of wood. That's where the CO2 cartridge goes again. We must maintain a minimum of 3 millimeters of wood around that drilled hole. If it's less than that, your car can't run, therefore you're disqualified. I like to leave between 5 and 7 millimeters, so when I'm machining I don't get it too thin. That's all for lesson one. Go ahead and click on lesson 2 to watch how to start your 3-view drawing of your design. If you need to go back to this video at any time to look at this, you may. You also have your criteria sheet. Make sure you take it with you at the end of the class today so that you have it in your folder. Good luck and move on to lesson 2.